हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। और आज मेरी सीक्रेट बताने वाला हूँ। आज तो मेरे साथ एक सीक्रेट है, वह है बहुत इंटरनेट। इसका मतलब है कि मैं इन्फिनेटली मेरे मुंह से इंग्लिश बोल सकता हूँ। किसी कोई को इंग्लिश नहीं आती होगी, पर मेरे को पूछने की बात भी नहीं होगी। This is how I speak English. Yeah, like an absolute USA or a Great Britainess, you can call it whatever. Some Indians don't know how to speak English. Well, I'm going to show you how did I learn English and more secrets about me. So, it all started was I was like a little child. Then I grew into a toddler. Then I grow bigger, like into like 8 years. I was like 8 years then, 7 years. And I was reading English and writing English, like very, very crazy. And I got popular about that. And it was running super close, but now it's a little bit offline. So, read English, and I watch so many English videos. That's why I learned English. And the poet name was optimal. And I know the whole world secrets. If you comment me, what is the world like? I will make the video and you'll be surprised. Just comment one time a question and I will answer that question 100%. If you can't understand my English, here's a recap. જો તમે કોમેન્ટમાં તમે એમ કહો કે આ વસ્તુની તમે મને રિસર્ચ કરીને દો, હું આખો વિડીયો કોમ્પ્લિકેશન દઈશ કે આ આખી ધરતીમાં શું થાય, કે તમે જે કીધું એનો આખું વર્ણપાન કરી દીધું. અને હું વિજ્ઞાનથી અને આ બધા જોડેલો છું. હું ત્યારે નાનો હતો, ડૉક્ટરે કીધું હતું મારો હાઈપર મગજ છે. એટલે જો ગુડ લક મને કહેજો, કેમ કે હું ભણીને હોશિયાર થઈશ. હું એક સાયન્ટિસ્ટ બનીશ. આજે પહેલાં જે બધા ગેલેરિયન, જ્હોન લुईस, એ બધા જે સાયન્ટિસ્ટો હતા, આલ્બર્ટ આઇન્સ્ટાઈન, એમાંથી હું એક બનીશ, કેમ કે એના બધાનો હાઈપર મગજ હતો. પણ જો હું મારી જિંદગીને છોડીશ આમને આવી રીતે રમતી મસ્તીમાં કર્યા રાખી, મને નથી લાગતું. પણ હું કરવાનો જ છું, કેમ કે તમારે કંઈ કહેવાની જરૂર જ નથી. મારી જે સપનામાં જે કરવાનું હોય એ કરવાનું જ હોય. મારી મમ્મીએ કીધું કે આ તારો મગજ હાઈપર છે, એટલે થોડુંક હજી ઇંગ્લિશમાં સમજાઈ ગયું છે. એ બધા ઇંગ્લિશ આ વિડીયોને જોતા હોય ને, હું છે પાછું રિપેર કર્યું હમણાં, મેં કીધું ને. If any USA's or a foreigner is listening to my videos, please like and subscribe. And tell something about our world. Even Google is like down onto me. It means, Indians, કે જે હું આટલું બધું કહી દઈશ કે તમે જેટલું કહેવો ને કે ગૂગલે તે નીચું પડી દે, આટલું હું તમને કહી દઉં. ઇંગ્લિશ માટે I will speak. If you tell me one question about the world, I will saying that if you say in the comments, I will make that video. If I will make a video. If you comment about the world, I will get a whole speech about it. And with a whole speech about it, Google is down to me. I am the king of Google. It means Google is down to me. Google is just my baby right now. And I am his papa. Get the heck? And stay tuned, guys, because read English. Read English, say English. I mean, there's some of the things you can learn in English. First, write English. Learn to write English, then you have to say that application you just write. And if you are getting trouble with the words, watch English videos, because the words you don't know is on that videos. If they are not in those videos, do a second video. If not that, or a third video. Just keep watching videos, then you actually learn English. You think like, what, bro? Like, really? You just learned English, like, bro, by reading, writing, and then you watch videos and then you learn English? Yeah, it's kind of like that. And if you see my profile, I am skating. I am like that with skates on. Yes, I am skating very, very fast. I can skate. If I make a when is Sunday, I will make a video about skating. Yes, I will skate. Really. But some of the people that don't know, everyone cannot skate. What am I doing with this? Some of them cannot skate. And some of them said, I hate skating. It's not working about me. Like, some of the people I said the regularly thing, like there's two bees on a rope, and they'll try like spinning on their fingers. Yeah, that hurts, and they say, I hate these so much. Don't actually do what you can do. It means if you can't do it, don't do it, because you know it. But if you want to do it, keep trying, and don't get your mind up about it. Just keep trying, and you will eventually can done it. Somebody cannot skateboard, somebody cannot use a unicycle. As a unicycle with one wheel. They cannot use unicycles like that. And that's why I'm telling you. If you don't know skating, watch my videos. I mean, I have a friend that is called Dutch Skater. Like and subscribe to him, because he making skating videos. He jumps with skates. He jumps pretty high. I mean, he put a brick wall and then he jumped over it. And his little brother is learning that already. And I don't do that because safety. He is doing skating for a long time. I've been doing it for a long time, but not that long. I was learning in school. In my school, they learned swimming, skating, football, basketball. These things they are learners, because when our school is into 8 hours. We stay in school 8 hours, because in 1 hour there's one lesson. 1 hour is one lesson. So every hour is one lesson, and 8 hours. Yeah, 8 hours in, there will be a activity lesson. They do that activity lesson because we don't get bored, and that's why it gets compilated. And that's swagging. And how do I be so energized when I make these videos? Well, I'll tell you a secret. This, like, in India, there's like, hold on, there's like 20 degrees outside. So in the night time, when I sleep overnight, the water gets cold, and when I shower with that cold water, it races my body to do these videos and speak them. You're thinking, why your mouth not getting shut? Why your mouth so powerful? Because what? I was telling I have a small tongue, you can see, but hey, small mouth, small tongue, actually it's not small. If you can try to like, look, this is my nose, this is my eyes, same, mouth, ears. They're all the same size. I smell perfect, I see perfect, I talk perfect, and hear perfect. That is the all. And be brave. Don't give up. Learn English like me. You can be one of me. You can be the world see. Bye bye guys. See you later. Peace out. Love you.